knowing I'm going to eat Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Lil'Petey's donuts.
Yum, 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 yum.
Nom, 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 nom. That was delicious.
Uh-oh, I hear them coming. I better hide.
Ah, it's nice to enjoy a dip in the pool. It sure does, little bro. Now let's have our donuts and head back outside to continue swimming.
What the? Our donuts. They're gone.
I do know we haven't eaten them. Someone could have eaten them. Wait, Toad, I see you behind the table.
Whoops, I may have been caught.
Toad, did you eat our donuts?
You're gonna be very angry if I tell you this, but yes, I did eat your donuts.
You did what? Toad, how dare you eat our donuts?
That's it. You're grounded for 5 weeks. Go to your room now.
Don't worry, guys. Let's get ice cream instead.
Alright, sis. Let's get ice cream. Then we'll continue our fun in the sun afterwards.